Qualities of people with Cancer Sun sign. Individuals with a Cancer Sun sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the nurturing and sensitive nature of Cancer. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Cancer Sun sign. Emotional sensitivity. Cancer Sun individuals are highly attuned to their emotions and the emotions of others. They have a deep emotional sensitivity and can easily empathize with others. They often rely on their intuition to navigate their feelings. Nurturing and protective. They have a natural nurturing and caring nature. Cancer Sun people are often deeply devoted to their loved ones and prioritize creating a sense of safety and security in their relationships. They excel at providing emotional support and care for others. Intuitive and empathetic. They have a strong sense of intuition and are highly empathetic. Cancer Sun individuals can pick up on subtle cues and understand the emotions and needs of others. They are often sought after as trustworthy and understanding friends. Home and family orientation. They have a strong connection to their home and family. Cancer Sun individuals value their roots and find comfort in the domestic environment. They enjoy creating a cozy and nurturing space for themselves and their loved ones. Protective shell. They can be protective of their emotions, and may have a tendency to retreat into the protective shell when they feel threatened or overwhelmed. Cancer Sun people may take time to open up and trust others fully. Imaginative and creative. They have a vivid imagination and a natural inclination towards creativity. Cancer Sun individuals may excel in artistic pursuits and find solace in expressing themselves through various forms of art or creative outlets. Strong intuition. They have a strong intuitive sense that guides their decision-making. Cancer Sun people often rely on their gut feelings and inner wisdom to navigate life's challenges. They have a knack for making choices that align with their emotional well-being. Loyalty and commitment. They are deeply loyal and committed to their relationships. Cancer Sun individuals prioritize long-lasting connections and value trust and loyalty. They are known for their unwavering support and dedication to their loved ones. Moody and changeable moods. They can experience mood swings and have changeable emotions. Cancer Sun people are influenced by the waxing and waning of the moon, which can impact their moods. They may need time alone to process their emotions. Strong connection to the past. They have a strong connection to their personal history and may have a nostalgic streak. Cancer Sun individuals cherish their memories and may find comfort in traditions and sentimental objects. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets and the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.